Welcome back to the Canva course. Become a Canva qualified professional, a detailed course on Canva. In this video, today we are going to explore how to write a resume. Very important for youngsters. Many times our resumes play a very important role in the selection for interview. So in case if your resume is highly professional, and then people will definitely get impressed and invite you for an interview. So we are going to see how to create a resume using Canva. Again, this is going to create magic. Let us see how. Going to type here resume. So when you type here resume, then you will have professional resume coming up. Click on it. So you will have many professional, you can see here many professional resume template is available. Now how to do it? Now simple, you can choose any template and check whether you like it or not. And if you like it, just go here and click on customize this template. When you are customizing this template, you should have all the details about your education, experience, and your skills and update, and everything should be in hand so that you can delete the text available here. So you can go here, and then the first is, see here, every detail is given, like profile info is given, contact number. Now what you need to do is you need to change it according to your qualification, your experience, your contact number. All the details are to be filled as per your. This thing actually is a basic template with the style, and it will look very professional. Now let us check how to change this photograph. If you want to do some changes to the photograph, you will be having your own photograph, and then go to uploads. Now there you need to check which image you want to add, or else if you are not having it in your Canva, you can upload files. Just click upload file. It will take you to the gallery part where you will be having your own photo, and then you can choose it, and then you can come back. Now here I am having this thing here only, so I'll be checking the upload files. And whatever photograph I want to add, I will be able to add it from here. I can add one photograph, and then I can resize it by dragging it, and then I can put it here. See, I have removed that photograph and I have inserted my photograph. You can write your name, clicking this, delete it and write it here. Like the same, wherever you want to make some changes, you can actually click on it, select it, delete it, and add your data here. And finally, you can share it. So it is so simple. In case if you don't want any particular area of this template, you can remove it by selecting, and actually you can select here and delete it. That's it. So the font style you can change, color of the font you can change, everything you can do. You can take the template and you can create your own resume. And I hope this is clear and it is going to be helpful to you to write your professional resume. So that's all in today's video. So I'm going to stop sharing, and thank you for watching. I'll be back with one more video for another topic of Canva, and thank you for watching.